Have you ever wondered, what's the oldest computer still running today? You might imagine some massive machine covered in dust, sitting in a museum. But believe it or not, one ancient computer is still running, and still doing its job. Let's travel back to 1959, when IBM released a monster called the IBM 402 and 403 series, early electromechanical tabulating machines. These machines didn't even have screens. They processed data using punch cards, actual paper cards with tiny holes representing numbers and letters. Now fast forward over 60 years, and guess what? One of these systems is still operational in North Carolina, USA, at a small manufacturing company that refuses to shut it down. Why? Because it still works perfectly, and switching to modern software would cost them hundreds of thousands of dollars. The computer is used to print invoices, track shipments, and even calculate payroll, all using punch cards. The machine's operator said, "It's slow, but it never breaks. We maintain it ourselves." Imagine a 1950s machine, built before the moon landing, still clocking in every day like a loyal employee. But this isn't the only one still alive. There's also the IBM 1401, introduced in 1959, which some enthusiasts in California keep running at the Computer History Museum. They power it up regularly, using spare vacuum tubes and ancient magnetic tape drives, just to remind people how far we've come. These old computers were built to last: solid steel frames, mechanical relays, and no fragile software updates. They represent a time when technology was tangible, not digital. You could hear it click, buzz, and hum as it worked. What's crazy is that some of these ancient systems are actually more reliable than modern PCs. They can run 24/7 for years without crashing, because there's no operating system, no internet, and no hackers trying to get in. So the next time your laptop freezes or your phone crashes, just remember, there's a computer from the 1950s out there, quietly doing its job, without a single software update in over 6 decades. It's a living fossil of the tech world, a true reminder that sometimes, old school really means built to last. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.